guys. Today we've got our tune day. Dr. Drift's booked in. I think we've got him all day. So we're taking down the 33 and the 32's out in the trailer. Corey and I just put that on. It'll be interesting to see what power figures they make. They've had quite a bit of work done. I think we've got a new turbo on this. So also Corey's put in the new fuel lines. They were roughly probably double the size. Stock ran out of fuel last time and the injectors were on 100% duty cycle. So it'll be interesting to see what it gets this time. It's got all the fuels, all the boosts. Should crack over 400 hopefully. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, yeah, definitely.
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, that's fine. Okay. Oops.
Typical.
Yep.
Fuel stop. Not the brand new PWR, boy. He good. Corey! He made it. I made it back. Leader made it. I didn't expect the radio to still work. Okay, some music.
Had some tunes
Triple
going.
J pump.
Ooh, we've arrived.
My bumper keeps falling off.
Oh hell.
There's that.
Well, they were good clips, and now they're shut.
Now they're shut. That one was off.
Oh hell.
Oh yeah. Lucky the one magic screw holds everything in place.
that one magic screw.
She's done real good this front bar. Like, I think this is, yeah, I've had this for ages, this front bar.
Yeah.
I mean, it's come a couple of times. It's got a nice split in the middle there, but she's still going strong. So
Loves it.
wipe her down. Show car.
Show car.
And then I realised why.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
There's your problem.
There's your problem. Who was it? Next mystery. Was it Corey?
Or was it Jason?
Or was it JB Roll? Or was it yours truly?
It was Tom.
You're not! Rear housing hole.
That turbo just shit the brick last time.
Yeah, so the rear wheel just exploded.
Yeah. There we go. Crazy.
So there's some of the rehousing.
That's good.
It's real. It's gas. Warm.
Well, I spoke to Teo, and he said he can build me one size up that's rated a bit more boosts, and we'll send that to the moon and see what happens. Got to crack that 400 kilowatt. This thing was going so good. He reckons it's a little bit too small for that many boosts, as you can see by those holes on the side of the thing.
Rear housing did
It's
not
just
like
a
it.
drainer because it was doing so good. It was ready to make that 420, I reckon. But it is what it is. We'll be back. But next up, the 32. You can get that 400 with that, maybe.
That was basically enough.
Hello again. Alright, so updates. Corey has shot off back to the factory to pull the turbo key off. I don't know if I already said, but Friday, Hypergear, or Teo, has sorted out the next size up turbo, or similar size really. We're dropping that turbo off, it's going to fix it up. Ready for Friday, retune Sunday, so it's ready for event Monday, and then next week's first round of SA. So hopefully we get that sorted. 32's next, and by the way, so Corey left us stranded here, so now we will be driving this home. If it survives this tune. Yeah. So we just finished up, so strapped it all down and done if you watch any of the videos, you know, religiously we check this is a smoke testing machine to pressurize the system to make sure there's no leakies, and we had a couple, just a few little ones, or actually one main one, which was one of the vac lines under the throttle body that you don't really see. So Corey obviously missed it. Idiot. Nah. So blocked that up and got everything pretty good. This turbo, we had the same problem last time. It's got like some sort of leak somehow through the oil drain, and it like pressurizes the like dipstick. I don't know what's going on there. Apparently it's a known thing with these HKS turbos, but it didn't affect it last tune, so just send it.
Seems alright once it's got oil pressure. It seems to close the seal up.
Shibby, pretty much is what you just said.
Yep. Are those lights clamps going to be a permanent fixture, or
Yeah.
are them back?
No, they're permanent. Anyway, so get those guesstimates in, because because I'm hoping this makes 300. But I shouldn't say that because we'll get the 297 turbo.
You've got it, Jace. I believe in you.
I can do it. Which way does it blow? Dunsky, pretty happy with that. The DE motor proved itself just as good as the DET. Come over here, have a look at the graph. Don't know if you can see that. White line is the old motor. You can see it drops off a fair bit. And the green line is the new powers. So yeah, literally better all the way. It did spike up to 24 PSI and also dropped down to 21. No, 22. Yeah, and that's fuel mixture. It's okay.
Yeah.
But pretty happy with that. 282 or something. That old one only saying 250.
Because that's what I made last one.
Is it? I thought I made 270. It's just talking it up. Just the old yeah, just
281.4.
rounder up. So I made 300. I stuck with that. I'll call it 290. You have to round it up to the boys. You want to say anything, Bruno?
Nah, pretty happy with it.
Alright, so tune finished on the way home. This is a bit of a funny video. It's all up and down. Get a bit of a feel what it's like to have the dramas that ensue of the drift life, which is every bloody day. Help me. No. But yeah, it's interesting driving this thing on the road. At night, it still looks like it's as bright as day when you look at this thing. She doesn't stand out at all, huh?
Nope.
Not at all.
Don't even see it.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, like that ass, subscribe, and make sure you click that little bell there too. And until next time.